Oh no! Little Chinoo is in danger! Will someone save her?
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful green forest. In this forest lived a tiny little ant. Her name was Chinoo. Chinoo was very hardworking. One day, dark clouds gathered in the sky.
Rain started pouring heavily. Chinoo was very scared. Just then, a big kind tree spoke softly.
Don't be afraid, Chinoo. Come to me.
The tree protected Chinoo under its shade. After some time, the rain stopped. Thank you, dear tree. You saved me.
And the whole forest was filled with joy again.
Nature is our friend. When we protect it, it protects us.